Title: Good, the universal measure of positivity. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word good. Good is an adjective that signifies something that is morally right, beneficial, or pleasing. It's a term that represents the universal measure of positivity. Pronunciation: pronouncing good is simple good, with a soft G and a short U. Use in a sentence. For example, acts of kindness and generosity often bring out the good in people, fostering a sense of connection and community. Importance: good is a word that transcends cultures and languages, reflecting shared values, morals, and the aspiration for a better world. Conclusion: in summary, good is a word that signifies the positive qualities we cherish in life and the values we strive to uphold. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, celebrate the good that surrounds us and strive to make the world a better place.